Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Kristen. Welcome. Today we are going to be opening up my November Boxycharm by Ipsy. So if you guys want to see what I got, then keep on watching. As always, I have everything pulled up on my phone. I got one add-on and I'm still doing the beauty boost because I think it's pretty worth it so far. I'm pretty excited for this month's box. I have not opened it yet and I've had it since Saturday and it is now Tuesday. I've been dying to open it, so let's open it up. Here is the inside of the box. It's pretty full this month. First up, we have the Biro Hydrangea Tea Intensive Hydration Serum. I chose this. This just sounds absolutely amazing. The word hydration caught my eye, and this really pretty blue color also caught my eye. So I'm really excited to add this to my winter skincare routine because I can already feel my skin is getting dry and it's only November. So can only imagine what the winter's gonna bring. Next up is the Dolce Travel Spray from By Rosie Jane. This was another choice. Dolce sounds so good. This is a vanilla, hinoki wood, and nude musk. I like 2 out of the 3. I don't know what hinoki wood smells like, but it sounds amazing. It feels like long kisses, mixtapes, and sweet dreams. I want to spray the box a little bit to try this out, so I can add it to my collection back there. Ooh, that smells really good. Very sweet. I can't wait to wear this. Third product in this month's box is the Run Clean Skincare PHA Exfoliating Facial. Boxycharm by Ipsy chose this one for me. This is going to help remove impurities, soften and reduce the appearance of hyperpigmentation for instantly smooth and glowing skin. And you just need to use this 2 to 3 times a week. Apply to a damp face and gently massage in circular motions and leave on for 2 minutes and then rinse. This sounds pretty good. I feel like these 2 products will be really good for the winter time because this is going to just really exfoliate and then this is going to hydrate, so a great combo. Next up we have Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in the shade Granite. Boxycharm by Ipsy chose this for me and I'm so happy because I love this brow pencil. This is a little lighter. I think I normally get the black one, but I will still use Granite. I love this brow pencil. It is just a staple brow product. It is just so good. Next up is this Galactic Luminous Face Powder in the shade Light. I chose this and I'm excited to try it. I kind of want to see. It looks very yellow. Oh, it's pretty. You can't really see it on my hand. I kind of want to try this right now because it looks a little like more yellowy. So it'll really like brighten. Ooh. I see a difference. Pretty immediately. Okay. Very excited to add this to the makeup routine. I also just love anything that will add a glow to my face. I just love looking glowy and dewy. Next up for the beauty boost, this is the Il Makiage Shade Addict High Impact Eye Color Palette. I'm really excited to try this. I have tried an Il Makiage quad in the past and I didn't love it, but this is really pretty. I love all of these shades. I'm going to be using this next week. I thought that it was all mattes, but you have 2 shimmer shades and then 6 matte shades, so it's an 8 pan palette. The packaging is really pretty. This is a $61 value. I'm excited to try this one out. Then as an add-on, I got the Iconic London Lit and Luminous Baked Highlighter. This is in the shade Universal. This was a choice, but I chose the serum instead. And then I saw that this was an add-on for like $12, so I was like, treat yourself. But let's do a little swatch. Swatch is right here. I think I might swap out my highlight right now. I am really happy with this month's box. I think it's one of the best ones I've had in a while. I love that Brow Wiz was included in this month's box. This has me excited for the advent calendar. I have the advent calendar and it's sitting over there. and I just stare at it every day, and I'm like waiting for December 1st, and it's so close yet so far. Let me know what you think of this month's box in the comments down below. Also, let me know if you get Ipsy. Did we get the same products? Did we get anything different? How was your box? I would love to hear. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe for more videos. Make sure you're following me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box. And that is all I have to say, so I'll see you guys next time. Bye!